clinical trial plays a crucial role in developing new medical treatments and vaccines. In fact, clinical research is the stepping stone that brings hope to millions of patients in need. Delays in regulatory approval of clinical trials has been shown to have severe consequences. Despite this, 8 out of 10 clinical trials still face some form of delays, majority by more than 1 month. The financial impact of delays can be massive, costing sponsors up to $8 million a day. In addition, life-saving treatments to patients are often delayed, leading to disease progression, reduced quality of life, and deaths in extreme cases. In this particular video, I will explain the consequences of regulatory delays in the context of global clinical trials. Let's get started. Extended research timeline. Regulatory delays can extend research timeline, causing increasing operational costs and lost revenue due to delayed market entry. The longer it takes to complete a trial, the more resources are needed to pay for personnel, operational costs, and overheads. Delayed treatments for patients. Patients depend on timely delivery of novel treatments from research and development efforts. Regulatory delays means trials are not completed on time, and therefore patients wait longer for potentially life-saving treatments. As a result, patient outcomes and their quality of life are directly impacted. Reduced competitive edge. In pharmaceutical industry, timely completion of research trials is essential to maintain a competitive edge. Delays in bringing pharmaceutical products to market can affect marketability as well as commercial viability of such products. Pharmaceutical companies with ability to gain faster regulatory approval, complete clinical trials, and launch their product faster can gain a significant competitive advantage compared to those companies that fail to obtain regulatory approvals on time. Reputational damage. The reputation of sponsoring organizations could be damaged when they fail to obtain necessary research and development regulatory approvals. Negative publicity can affect funding opportunity, strain relationship with regulatory authorities, and discourage potential investors, limiting the ability of such companies and sponsors to raise additional capital for further research and development. Reputational damage can extend actually beyond the current trial into future trials. Career harm. Loss of employment or missed promotions is not uncommon because of low performance or delayed clinical trials. These consequences add an extra layer of pressure and stress for those who are involved in clinical research. Missed research and development window. Emergency public health crises provide a limited window of research and development opportunity for medical countermeasures. Researchers must swiftly advance clinical trials and experimentation of promising medical countermeasures and programmatic interventions to save lives within that limited window. Each day the clinical trial is delayed because of regulatory approval processes, the window of that opportunity closes very rapidly. As a result, promising innovations that could have otherwise made a difference in patients' outcomes may never be fully realized. Attrition of clinical research sites. Sponsors depend on clinical sites to recruit participants. When regulatory approvals are delayed for one reason or another, clinical sites and investigators may lose interest in that delayed trial and divert attention and resources elsewhere. Restoring lost trusts can be challenging, particularly when the sponsor has to return in future to the same sites with new studies. The consequences of delayed clinical trial regulatory approval process can be far-reaching and impactful. Download the regulatory case study and learn how to navigate the process. Thank you for watching.